Hey guys, John Pruitt with Addison Riley. Giving you my contact info at 776-5009 in case you need me. I just left a consultation in Cantonment, and I cannot stress enough how important it is for people to do their homework on contractors. This guy, landscaping guy, just brought in $5,200 worth of dirt to fill in a backyard and use the privacy fence as a retaining wall. So obviously you can tell what happened. Water eroded all the dirt. Dirt's now all in the wetlands, and tore down the fence, and he's trying to fix it by repropping the fence. I can't tell you how strongly I urge people to get a copy of the general liability insurance of contractors and subcontractors, landscapers, when they're doing work for you. So I got called out to take a look at this, and I'm going to walk her through the step-by-step process. But a couple steps on what to do if this ever happens to you is to, one, keep it cordial. Make sure that you're on good terms. If you can laugh and smile even through the bad times, you're going to have a better haul than you will if you have a bad attitude. Two, get their general liability insurance and file a claim. No contractor is really going to mind if you file a claim on their insurance. If they don't have a lot of claims, it's not going to affect their premiums that much. That's why we have it. And the other part is, once you do get the general liability insurance filed, the claim, call someone like myself who can help you with that process. And one, fix it, but two, make sure you have the right cost analysis. And if push come to shove, at that point in time, hire an attorney to represent you against their insurance company. This here is not Hurricane Michael. This is just a construction defect where somebody tried to do the right thing. The cost actually looks pretty good, except for he forgot one thing. You have to have a retaining wall if you're going to hold back about 3 feet of dirt. You cannot use a privacy fence. It'll never happen. It'll never work. So we're going to try and get this lady back on track where she is, because she's probably looking at a $40,000 repair to fix a $9,100 job. So, all right, guys, keep that in mind. As always, find us on Facebook at AddisonRiley.com, or Addison Riley LLC, excuse me, AddisonRiley.com, and 776-5009. Have a good day.